Hi everybody, welcome to a new video by Saqib Iqbal Digital, and in this video we will learn how to import directly any kind of logo, any branded logo within your design right within Canva. Okay, so first of all, this is the Canva homepage and I need to open any new design. For example, this is the Instagram post design. Let us just click on create blank design. So a blank design is open in front of me. Its dimension is 1080 cross 1350 pixels. So this is Instagram post size, which is recommended as the portrait one and highly recommended for anyone who want to use it on Instagram because it gives you more space and more visibility and more engagement as per recommended by the community top creators on Instagram. Okay, so this is you can say your page of your design. So what you have to do is just go to the app section, this one, click on apps, and then you have a open up new tab where you can discover number of apps. Okay, so what you have to do is just click on this search apps and right here Brandfetch. So Brandfetch app is basically is uses, okay, so here it is Brandfetch. And when I just click on this, the first time whenever anyone use this, so you have to click this open button. Okay, so I just click on open and this app is open within the Canva. What app does easily add branded logos right within your Canva. Okay, so for example, if I want to add the updated Canva logo right within my design, so I just search here Canva. So the number of options: Canva, Canvas, Great Big Canvas, Canvas Champ, Canvas.js. Okay, so the number one option is it is what I needed, so I just click on Canva. So here you can find three options. These are the updated logos with various you can say variations. The second one is colors. You can also copy these colors with the best thing is the hexa value is also mentioned there. You can easily use this hexa value, otherwise sometimes it is very hard to find the exact shade of that color of brand. Okay, so the third one is images. That image is, you can say, the brand image and it is copyrighted, so images are not highly recommended to use as far as you have the right to use them, but you can use the colors and logos. Okay, in order to use the canva.com logo, you have to check out the terms and conditions of how to use logo and where you can use their logo. So I am using just on my design. For example, just I write to I want to add this design is made in Canva, so it is okay. But if you are going to resell their purchases illegally, so this is highly not recommended to you. Okay, so for example, just I click on this, so it uploaded that photo in my gallery. Okay, so this logo is here. For example, if I want to add another logo, for example, I write here Apple. Okay, so here is an apple.com, and here I also find three things. The number of variations, I find three number of variations for the apple.com, the colors and the image. Okay, so what I do, I just click on this black logo, and in this way you can easily you can say add the updated brand logo right within your Canva. So you do not need to download it from the website, then remove the background and then upload it. Just go to the Canva apps marketplace and search for Brandfetch app. This is Brandfetch app, and once you get the Brandfetch app, you can write here the number of brand you want to search here. Okay, and you can easily add not only the colors, not only the logo, but also the images of that brand. For example, if you have already used the Brandfetch, so where you can open it again. So here are the two options out there. Discover this tab is used to discover the apps right in the Canva app marketplace. But if you already use any app, so it will display here your apps. So I basically right now I'm using two, Magic Media and Brandfetch Canva apps. So you can easily open from here. And once you open from here, you can also find out in the last bar. Okay, so these are the two apps I am using right now. Okay, so what is the way to close it down? So it hit the cross, and just I click on cross, so this app is closed. Also I need to close this app. Okay, so app is closed. Now when I again click on this, it is also open, and the Brandfetch logo and the name is also displayed, and I can search here any brand name or URL. So hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video, comment on this video, and we'll see you in the very next video. Thank you so much.